How you doing, Scotty Bear? Back with the stupid cooking show with that late night craving. Gonna save you some calories, gonna help you out, gonna make it taste great. I'm gonna use today, we're gonna use that peanut butter that you haven't finished off yet. We're gonna start with that. It's already sounding wonderful. Peanut butter late at night, how can you go wrong? Just put that in there. As I always like to use a banana, why not? They're wonderful for you. Peanut butter banana sounds fucking amazing. Just put that in there. Oh, man. Late night craving, maybe you smoke too much weed. Blueberries. Blueberries, just run of the mill blueberries. We put a lot of them in there because, god damn it, we're hungry. And then some almond milk. We go with great value. That's already looking wonderful, but I tell you what, we're gonna go just a step further so we could shit in the morning. I did say late night snack. And then of course we're gonna just add a little water there. Oh yeah, looking nice. Of course, as always, we need late night snack fast. Look at that. Tearing it up. We're just gonna use this Starbucks cup left over. Oh man, look at those blueberries. Peanut butter. You're gonna thank me in the morning because not only are you gonna feel great, you're gonna poop and you're gonna not have so many battle the bulge come in the morning at the gym, which are not open. And of course, what's so wonderful about my treats is, oh yeah, look at that. The dishes clean themselves. I just fill up my little toy with water. So you don't have to worry about making a mess in the morning. Look at that. Cleans itself. Anyway, this is Scotty Bear. I'm gonna enjoy my late night snack. Gonna taste that peanut butter in there with all those blueberries. It's awesome, trust me. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching.